BOCIL Smile Official, Education and Information Chanel. Know the types of bears. Polar bear. Polar bear. Native to the Arctic region, including Canada, Russia, Greenland, and Norway. Have the ability. Swimming expert. Polar bears can swim up to 100 kilometers without stopping. Polar bear. Andean bear. Andean bear originates from the Andes Mountains in South America. Another name is also called the glasses bear because of the white pattern on its face that resembles glasses. They often make nests out of twigs in trees to rest or stalk prey. Andean bear. Giant panda bear. Originates from China, especially in the mountainous regions of Sichuan and Shaanxi. They are bamboo eaters. 99% of their diet consists of bamboo, even though they are carnivorous animals. Giant panda bear. Honey bear. Honey bears originate from Southeast Asia, including Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. Has a long tongue. Its tongue reaches 20 to 25 centimeters. It is used to lick honey from beehives. Honey bear. Sloth bear. Sloth bears originate from India, Sri Lanka and Nepal. It likes to eat insects. They use their long lips to suck termites and ants. Humpback. The curved appearance of the back makes it look different from other bears. Sloth bear. European brown bear. The European brown bear originates from Europe and Asia. It sleeps during the winter. They enter the hibernation phase in caves or nests during the winter. Food storage habits. These bears store food for difficult seasons. European brown bear. America black bear. American black bears originate from the forests of North America. It is an accomplished tree climber. Even though they are big, they are very agile in climbing trees. Adaptability. They can live in various habitats, from mountains to suburban areas. America black bear. Grizzly bear. Grizzly bears originate from North America. Even though they look scary, when they stand on two legs, they are just paying attention to their surroundings. These bears often dig in the ground looking for roots, tubers, or insects. Grizzly bear.